Kadawa kong santam kabangi penlong ya kaneka Ranikor na benta tang na benta ka kenthai balai ba ngikwa ban penlong kung ka awareness na benta barok na benta ka jindon kam hakapet ka kia ju kalong tumis.
Kong ngim dah expect bagi beliau kinbun kan ini. Nepor pengen astang meregister ru ngilakot ke arajar tam lagi register. Dan saya mana ngi dah ngilamar berkelawan mensetiap beliau kila tamman ya kata kebangi register. Long very successful. Nyesok kemain kajing kubu baka kajing angnut jingi kalong siap.
Ketika run for help, apok ka Ranikor konsumsi ketika first time ka jingstang. Andai ngi dokumen ba asin ke panikong ba ki pejba ki wan syahmat, ki pejba ki ai mensim, ki pejba ki priang ya kan no ka jing penya khampam na kalian ka sarkar ki ai na kapta ka jongki habaya dei bat ka khoi kya. Tingi ngai scam ba ketika program kan nang ipeteng shisho ke next time ki for ke bansawan namin ai ki awareness na kampa ke jingpha habai dei bat ki longkmi habai dei bat ki kon samla ki jungi.
We consider this to be a start and a very successful one, and we hope in the years to come also we'll be able to continue this program, and mainly we hope that the health issues will pick up, that children will also be taught not just ABC but what to eat and what not to eat. So this is the Ranikor Run, and we hope we can come up with some more teams at a later stage, and for now, her health, our future. Thank you.